Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is that time of year. The Sephora holiday savings event is here. Did I just rhyme? Bars. But I'm actually surprised to say that I think this is the first year where I've done one of these type of videos, and I don't have any like new fresh makeup to bring you guys like, yeah, look at what I picked up. I feel like this year in general we've just seen a bigger focus on self-care, body care, fragrance, hygiene, stuff like that. And when I was going through and seeing what I was going to add to my Sephora cart, I realized like that's mainly what I was putting into my cart. So that's what I have here. Now, because today's video is sponsored by Sephora, they were nice enough to gift me some things that I could try out. But y'all know like it's me, so I did have to go back and make my own little order. So I've got this box here, so I'm going to go through this and then I'm going to show you guys the things that I went back to pick up, and also show you guys I can rationalize it once we get there. Like I can rationalize why I had to go back, but hopefully I can give you guys like some little first impressions or little, I don't know, mini thoughts on these things like fresh out of the box, taking it out of the box. If you guys want to see all of that, then let's go. So we're just starting out, and I guess I'm already wrong because I technically do have a makeup thing to show you guys, but it's from Sephora. That is the Fenty Beauty Glossy Posse Holo'Daze edition. It is a set of little mini gloss bombs from Fenty Beauty. If you guys saw the video on the holiday launches, at the end I was like, wait, doesn't Fenty have a holiday launch that came out? And I went back, I think it's like a two-part thing. So this was released a little earlier, and I think they just launched the second half. So that's why like in my head it was sticking out, but I couldn't find any post about it. But yes, it does exist, and I did have to pick it up because it's gloss bomb, and it's different shades of gloss bombs that I don't already own, and I can already see myself getting this shade in a full size and probably this one as well. But this is the shade Baby Brute, this is the shade Taffy Tease, this is the shade Cake Shake, and this one is Ruby Milk. Okay, but no, really we're gonna move on to the body and self-care. Let's start with fragrance, just because I'm really excited about the ones that I did pick up. Two of them are from the same brand, and I'm assuming it's pronounced like Kilian, but this is the brand that everyone says Rihanna used. And I don't know if you guys ever heard anyone talk about Rihanna, but everyone says she smells amazing. Like I saw one interview with the person was like, she was in the elevator and they could still smell her. Like that's how good that she smelled. This has raving reviews. I asked about it on Twitter because, you know, I just want to do my research, especially when it comes to fragrance, because you can't smell it before you buy anything. Oh, but to tell you what it is. This is their Love Don't Be Shy. So let's open that up. I have high hopes. So open it up. It comes in pretty fancy packaging, but what you smell like though is the question. If I can get it out. Ooh. Very pretty packaging. Almost dropped it, but let's see. Oh, I see what people were saying. Ooh, it's giving very grown. It's giving, I've got somewhere to go and I want you to, I can smell it all the way up here. It's giving grown, it's giving sexy. But when I first sprayed it, the first thing that like went down my nose and I could taste it, it was marshmallow. And that's something that I did see a lot in the reviews when I was reading it, was that it has a hint of marshmallow, but a lot of people were saying like it's really, really sweet, it's too sweet type thing. I'm not getting like overly sweet from this, but one thing I am getting is that a couple people said it smells like Fruity Pebbles, the cereal. Yeah, it does. you do get a hint of Fruity Pebbles in this, but listen, okay, I'm ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in the box, because with my luck, I would drop it, it would break everywhere, and then I would be distressed. But another one that I have from the same brand, because when I was talking about Don't Be Shy, some people were like, maybe you should start off with Princess first. It's like a milder, is that a word, version of that one. So I got that in the little like mini size. But this is called Princess, and it just says, I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. Let me Listen, if that's what Rihanna's walking around smelling like, I see why they say all of that about her, okay? But I've heard people say this is the brand that she uses. I don't know if that's the exact scent that she uses. I've seen people say that about a couple of the ones that they have. Like, they even have one called Good Girl Gone Bad. And I saw people say, like, that's the one that she uses. But if that one is the one that she's using, listen. Okay, but this is Princess. Yeah, it's a milder, that's a word, right? Version of that one. Actually, she's giving me a little more woodsy. She's giving me grown, but a little less sexy. Like, grown daytime is this one. Like, this is the scent you wear to work, you wear when you're just running around errands. This is the one, it's girls' night out, it's date night, it's an event. Like, that's the one that you would wear this one for. This would be like a date, actually, this could be a daytime, nighttime scent, but this is that grown, but I'm not trying to do too much scent. The next thing I have here is from Wishful. This was also in the holiday launch video. If you guys remember, I talked about how it comes with a scrub that I have in like a full size type thing, which is this one. Let me unwrap that, which is this one. I have the full size version of this, and then it also comes with, I believe, an eye cream and an oil. So this is the where's the front? The oil. This is the Get Even Rose Oil, and then maybe it's the cream, maybe it's a moisturizer. The Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I'm debating if I want to keep it for myself because I already own 1/3 of it and it's good. So I'm only assuming the rest of it would be as good, but I'm also like, I could just use this as a stocking stuffer or a gift for someone who's not going to watch this video. So I'll let you guys know. Let me know if you've tried either of the oil or the moisturizer for yourself. The next thing, I feel like I've seen this a lot and it had a description that was intriguing to me. It said it helps with like texture and stuff like that. It is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, and I'm looking at the box and it says the tube key is included, and I like that because you guys know with like tube products where you gotta squeeze the product out, how once you start getting towards the end, like, it gets harder to keep pushing the stuff down. So it comes with a little thing that you would put on here and just squeeze it out. But this is what it looks like. Some of you guys probably own it, have probably seen it before. I'm intrigued to see what this does. So of course I will keep you guys updated on that. And I think the last thing I have from Sephora is this. It is the Glow Lit Teeth Whitening Glow Vials. It's basically like a teeth whitening kit. How do I open this? Okay, I'm gonna have to cut that off. So these are the vials, and then there's a little lip care nourishing balm in there. I've always done like the strips type thing, but the last time I went to the dentist, he gave me 2 or 3 kits and I would have repurchased, but I don't remember the brand name. But he told me, like, you know, like teeth whitening things in general are okay to do, because I know like some people are like is that okay? Does it cause like sensitivity and stuff like that? And he basically said it was like how you use them and which ones that you use. This had really good reviews on it, so I was like, sure, why not check it out? I feel like, you know, my teeth are decent, you know, but they can, your teeth can never be too white. Well, let's just see what these do for my teeth, okay? Now for the other things I went back to get, this is how I can rationalize it, okay? Because I had to buy the foundations for 12 days, the foundation hunt. I'm not gonna show them to you right now because I want you to watch 12 days, but what better time to buy multiple foundations at once? And that's my job, you know? I feel like that's just smart thinking. And as for the other things that I got, I mean, yeah, I just wanted to try them, but yeah, I'm gonna come back and tell you guys my experience with them. So I feel like that's me being helpful, right? The first thing I have here is from Skinfix. This is their Resurface Plus Glycolic Renewing Scrub, a double duty body peel and polish for rough, bumpy, and crepey skin, pre-shower and in-shower scrub. Again, like I said, focusing on body care. I feel like my face, you guys know I have oily skin, but when it comes to like the rest of my body, I feel like I have borderline dry skin with that. So I was looking for body scrubs and body lotion, stuff like that. So again, I have other body things to show you guys, but this one just sounds like, reading the description, sounds like it's going to be good. And I feel like I saw Leah talking about this in a vlog. I know I saw her talk about some type of body thing. I feel like it was this one though, and I believe she was raving about it at the time. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on this one because I have high hopes for it. Let's see what it does. So this is from the brand Necessaire. I just recently found out they were sold at Sephora. I have their body wash and their body exfoliant. I feel like there's some other body thing that I have from them, but those are the two that come to mind because, you know, I went through those products. The body wash, I got the unscented one. I kind of wish I had got the, I think the scent is like sandalwood. The unscented one is fine. It's just, you know, like, it's unscented. So if you like those type of body washes that are going to leave some type of scent on you, that obviously it's unscented isn't going to do that. And the exfoliant does what it has to do. So when I saw that, one, they're at Sephora now, and two, they have this new body serum, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and sign up for that one. So this is what, I'm liking the sizes of these things. Okay, this is what it looks like, and its benefits are it hydrates, replenish, and plumps. Let's see, the directions is what I'm looking for. The body serum is a daily hyaluronic acid treatment for skin health. Apply all over the body or in areas where increased hydration is needed. Follow or mix with a moisturizer. And like I said, not showing the foundation. So the last thing I have to show you guys is from Kayali. Again, if you guys remember from the holiday launch video, I told you guys that Sephora has a little like deluxe sample set from the brand where it's like 4 fragrances and it retails for like $95, which this would be a good time to pick it up, but it stays sold out. So they have one of the scents for like a little a smaller sample size. So I went ahead and picked that up. That is the size, that is the scent, Musk 12, Vanilla 28. So I can still smell the Love Don't Be Shy package. Oh, it's it's 2 scents, right? Because there's, I don't know if you guys see, there's a vial up here and one down here. That makes, so how am I opening this? Imagine you open it, oh, it's a rollerball type thing. Okay, so this is Musk. Ooh, she musky. Yeah, that's musk. If you know musk scents, that's what she's giving. Not like too strong of a musk. Like, you know, like this is gonna overpower you as a scent, but you know, she musky. I'm laughing because it's giving me, I just walked into a cabin, but like I don't dislike that type thing. And I'm not a woodsy type of person like whatsoever, but I actually like what this is giving. Let me see what vanilla is giving. Ooh. My Haitians especially, y'all know your mom, your grandma, your aunts love them some straight up pure vanilla. That's what this smells like. This is giving the sweet that I felt people were talking about when it comes to the Love Don't Be Shy. This is giving that sweet, straight up vanilla type scent. So if you want to walk around smelling like vanilla, it legit smells like vanilla. And I'm not mad at it. This is giving me daytime scent, funny enough. So switch the two around. Remember what I said about Princess and Love Don't Be Shy, so switch that around with these two. This one, the vanilla, would be like the scent that I would throw on for during the day, running errands type thing. And then Musk is giving me, you know, like I'm in the room and I want you to know I'm in the room type scent. That's what it's giving. I don't dislike any of the listen, y'all know what I mean, that I picked up. I feel like if anything, Princess is the one where like I'm just like, you're okay. The other ones I'm like, okay. So those are all the things that I have to show you guys. And you guys already know how Sephora's Beauty Insider program works for these events. If you don't, let me tell you. So they've got their Rouge, VIB, and Insider members. For Rouge members, you guys get 20% off from October 30th to November 9th. For VIB members, you guys get 15% off from November 3rd to November 9th. And then for Insider members, you guys get 10% off from November 5th to November 9th. I'm about to go back and make sure all of that correlates, but it'll all be appearing on the screen as well. But even if you're not a member, you can sign up right now and still get access to this event. This is open to the US and Canada, and of course the code that you would have to use if you are shopping online is Holiday Fun. You can also shop in store. Everything that I featured in this video is available at Sephora or Sephora.com, and all of it will be listed in the description down below for you guys to check out. I believe I've told you everything that you need to know about the event. I've shown you guys everything that I picked up and gave you any little mini thoughts that I have. I'm over here still on the scent. That's what's throwing me off. That's why I can't remember all the dates and stuff like that, because I still got the scent of the perfume going through my head. But I feel like that is it for what I have to tell you guys. Yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know if you've already shopped, what you picked up. If you haven't, what you plan on picking up. And let me know if you saw anything in this video that you're like, listen, I mean, I didn't have my eye on it, but I might have my eye on it now. And yeah, I mean, like, it's not over yet. So you might tell me something I didn't have my eye on that I might have my eye on now. Let me know all of that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.